Hello everyone and welcome back to Media Studies Pro. Today we're diving into one of the most important foundations of filmmaking and video production, lighting. No matter how fantastic your camera is, if the lighting is weak, your video will never look professional. Good lighting can turn an average shot into a cinematic one, while bad lighting can ruin even the best camera setup. So let's break down lighting step by step in a simple and practical way. First off, what exactly is lighting in filmmaking? It's how we control light to shape our subject, set the mood, and guide the viewer's attention. Lighting determines how bright or dark a scene looks, how clear the subject appears, and what emotion the shot conveys. Now, let's talk about the most crucial and widely used setup in the industry, known as three-point lighting. This setup uses three main lights: the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. Let's start with the key light. The key light is your main and strongest light source. It's usually placed slightly to one side of your subject, not directly in front. This light defines the shape of the face and creates shadows that add depth and dimension. Without a key light, your subject can look flat or unclear. Essentially, this light sets the overall exposure of your scene. Next up is the fill light. The fill light is used to control the shadows created by the key light. It is placed on the opposite side of the key light and is typically set to a lower intensity. The purpose of the fill light isn't to eliminate shadows completely, but to soften them, making the image look more natural and balanced. If you remove the fill light entirely, the scene becomes much more dramatic. But if you make it too bright, the image will look flat again. Now, let's talk about the backlight, which is also called a hair light or a rim light. This light is placed behind your subject, aimed at the back of their head or shoulders. The backlight's job is to separate the subject from the background. It creates a subtle, glowing edge around the subject, which gives your shot a professional and cinematic feel. This is the secret ingredient that often makes a video look high quality, even with simple equipment. Let's also quickly understand the difference between hard light and soft light. Hard light creates sharp, well-defined shadows and strong contrast. Think of direct sunlight or a small, focused light source. It's often used for dramatic or intense scenes. Soft light, on the other hand, creates smooth, gentle shadows and a more pleasing look. It's produced by large light sources or diffused light, like on an overcast day. Soft light is perfect for interviews, YouTube videos, and educational content. For beginners, soft light is almost always the better choice. Now, what about indoor versus outdoor lighting? Indoors, you have full control over the light's direction and intensity. You can use LED lights, softboxes, or even the natural light from a window. Outdoors, the sun becomes your key light. The best times to shoot are during the early morning and late evening, known as the golden hour, which provides soft, beautiful, and cinematic light. Midday sunlight is very harsh and should be avoided if you can. A common mistake beginners make is lighting from directly above. This creates unflattering dark shadows under the eyes and nose. Always try to place your light source slightly to the side and around eye level for the best results. And remember, you don't need expensive equipment to start. A simple LED light, a large window, or even a reflector can work wonders if you use them correctly. To sum it all up, lighting isn't just about brightness. It's a powerful tool for creating mood, depth, and telling a story. If you can understand and apply three-point lighting, you're already ahead of most beginners. Master this setup, and your videos will instantly look more professional and cinematic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Media Studies Pro for more tutorials on filmmaking and camera studies. Thank you so much for watching.